Thanks very much, Gwen. Pampa Metals is an interesting company for interesting times. We are focused in Chile, and I'd like to take you a little bit through the presentation. We'll be making future forward-looking statements. Please be aware of that. Now, what is the biggest growth story in all of the economy today? I mean, we have to look back and understand that there's two things that make our world the way it is today. One is oil and one is copper. So we have to have attention and interesting and interest in what we're doing in these particular portfolios. Pampa is a company that has 8 100% projects owned in Chile, in northern Chile, around the town of Antofagasta, and on trend with many copper mining districts. Our team has a wealth of experience. They've worked with BHP, with Rio Tinto, with Anglo American. I myself had great success in the past with Norsemont Mining that was bought by Hud Bay and is now the Constancia mine in Peru. This team knows what to do with the projects that we have. Copper, we're on a roll, and it's simple and straightforward. We've depended on copper to create our industrial society as it is today, and in the future, the green economy depends on copper. And we need to see 8 new mines the size of Escondida built. Imagine that. Now, where is copper coming from? We understand in our analysis that copper has been mined in Chile for many years, but really, how important is Chile? Chile produces 26% of the world's copper. That's an amazing statistic. Saudi Arabia only produces 10% of the world's oil. So that's how important Chile is. And all of the majors that you can think of are located in this part of the world, in this location, in many of those mining districts that I've just mentioned. So in that 650-kilometer long rectangle is where all of our 8 projects are located. So it's a fascinating time to have projects in this particular location, number one, because many of the projects that have been found and turned into mines in northern Chile had surface expression. They found them because there was something poking through the ground, something that they could see. But many of those mines have been operating for many years and are going to end production. What we're looking for is what's underneath the Pampa or underneath the till that's over top of this geological area. The interesting part of northern Chile is that it hasn't changed for 15 million years. They practiced the moon or the Mars rover in this particular location. It is an amazing geological situation, but it's very hard to look under the surface. It's only now that we have the technical ability to look and see what's there that we can find those new mines that are potentially located there. As you can see, we've done a lot of work. We're a small company or a young company as well. We started in December of 2020. We've spent a lot of the time assessing the 8 projects and vectoring in using various data analytics such as magnetics, IP, and reverse circulation to sort of identify the areas of interest on those 8 projects. And within that, we've chosen 3 to really drill down and work on a bit more. But I'm only going to talk about 1 today because we have some very good people here from our board of directors that could be at the booth, and you could certainly talk about all the rest of them. But today, only this one, the Buena Vista target on the Block 4. This is a brand new discovery that has garnered major interest in Chile. We've been covered in that location, and we've had certainly outreach from the important groups and important companies in this location. That particular area that you see, the light-colored area, is a porphyry deposit that has been identified by our team, and we're going to start drilling in that location. What's important about it is the stockwork veining that you see in this picture indicates that there's been a system that's been developing there and has deposited and fractured the host rock. So this is an incredibly indicative sign. And so we're very interested in pursuing this to the point of discovery. Now, why is this particular area important? This is where porphyry deposits are, northern Chile. And we've identified that particular mound that's there as a location in which we need to explore further. But not only is there that particular anomaly, there were 4 or 5 other anomalies to the north and to the east that we've identified as well. So this one property, and I'm only talking about the one right now, of the 8, is very significant and could lead to a very major discovery. And as an exploration company, that's where the biggest upside is on discovery. We're a growth story. We're young, and we've got an opportunity here to make a real difference in the types of returns that we could see. Now, I could go on and talk more about our joint venture. We've had a joint venture with a company named Austral Gold, which has led to drilling on 2 different projects, more gold-oriented projects. Really, it's something we want to discuss in detail when you come to our booth, and please do. But here's the tombstones for Pampa Metals. 49 million shares out. Some warrants that are located at the 16.65 level, options at 45 cents, fully diluted 64 million shares, and well held by our joint venture partner Austral Gold and by our directors, about the 22% level. The cash in the bank is decent, but we're obviously going to be raising further amounts as well. So this is a story to watch. It's early stage, trades at about 24 cents on the CSE under the symbol PM and under the symbol PMMCF on the OTC. So what I'd like you to do is take your time, understand this company, come and talk to us, and appreciate being here. Thank you very much, Gwen, for the invite.